Hey, welcome to Bonsai and Beyond. Today's search video, and if you can see, I have a lot of new plants of my lovely plants, acacia, guys, acacia. So last time I was plant that guy. He's kind of surviving. That was 4 or 5 days ago, and he looked not that bad. So I wanna make him put it in the side a lot of friends. I hope so some of them will be survive. So today I will be quickly plant them. They already passed pretty much around 3 hours after I got them from the soil. I put the wet towel also again in a root to provide the root that from the air. So see you right here in the pot, guys, in a couple seconds, okay? Hey, one more time. So I'm in this side already. I will clean here really quickly, remove my this bonsai. So one more thing from the last video I did small haircut for this plant. That's this is a maple, and I did the haircut to make make him look right and start maybe grow some uh, new new branches on the side, like all over. So in some places like this one I cut that branches, so it's already was really long to provide that overgrowing and get out from my view of the how the tree should be. So this one get a haircut. This was like a night and was start like a do small touch up in some plant. I'm not really remember. Some was plant die. I was did cut just the edge of this one for the start drying. I think that from we already remove them from the fresh roots and fresh growing. They have a really sensitive for their roots and sun, and wherever they happen, like somebody remove them from the soil like I did, and wherever I get it here, that new growth already was dead and dry. So that's a really important thing when you be do your repotting. So let's go do this faster for our new growth. Maybe we'll be survive. Hope so. Maybe half of these plants will be go through for that's the end of the season. That's almost end of July. So let's go get started. I will move these guys here like last time we did. Okay, so I will place them all the way around and try to make like a bonsai forest right away. So you just got it in mind what's be going on. To make a bonsai forest, always big plants going in the front and smaller going in the back, like in the middle, I mean. Okay, we got a couple small one. You see, roots was in the sand and they was grow all the way long. So maybe that was even one root and they start shooting from the root new growth. So acacia really nice and interested plant, guys. So right here I got a one big one. So let's go place this guy. Big in height, big in height. Oh, this one long in height too. This one small babies. Let's be like, but this one, I don't know, even this one be not survive. You see this broke. Yeah, this one will be died. Excuse me. So let's go back to this one. What I was planning. This one have a nice root. Also they will be survive. Let's go place them right here. Get my some right here. Not all of them, but this one will be work. Oh no, this one not will be work. I can use the root cleaner. Let's open the soil a little bit. You know. Some of the roots I will be cutting. Oh, my new scissors not working. Let's go back to old one. I got a mind for roots one. Yeah, this one much better. Okay, one guy we have here. Okay. Okay, what else we have here? We have one with a big root right there. Look, I don't know if this one will be survive definitely. You see they have just long, maybe if I cut this side, I'm going to try to cut this root out. Maybe he can survive on this guy. Something like this one. I will place this in the back for this to be much easy to remove that in the future. They be dry. Rock on the top. Okay, I left my scissors in there. Don't do like that. Okay. These guys. Three together. Guys, I'm down to. I hope so they can survive in this thing. So there's different environment and the roots was connected probably between each other. They grow differently in that things. So. Okay. This one maybe can survive. So with maybe one, I will put it in a side. This one, ouch, with that. Some of this, this guy, he'll be dry, and this guy. Wait. These probably looks dead, be honest. Okay. Check this one. This maybe can survive. What do you think, guys? if we remove big one, I think smaller can survive. Okay, what do you think? I will cut big one, this one out, and maybe this one can be survive, you know. Go place him here. Looks great, guys. Hope so. They can survive. I have one more right. 1 second. And this one can place right here. I don't know if this one can survive too. Okay. Wonderful, guys. Look. Okay, guys, looks great. Show you closer. Ooh. Looks great, right? Like a forest. Alright, guys, that's probably that's it. If you wanna, you can go with me, bring some water and give it the water to the plants. So that's be really important. So they was in the sand all the time and right by the lake, so I think they have water all the time. So let's go spray the soil with the water, and I think they will be happy, you know. So hope we'll do like this. Oh, 1 second. From the front. It's screaming. So that's it, guys. We water everything and ready to grow. So see you in next video. So that's already couple days past, and I will show you how the trees look like. So I already removed the trees was here, so they already dried today, and I will just remove that. Forget to take a video. I was think I already download this video, so that's why that happened. But that's a 2 trees which one survive, so that's already not bad. Even 3 trees, so right there, small one, you can see, right? So 3 trees survive, and that's not that bad. Hope so you have a wonderful day and weekend. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye bye.